If you have a good time, you die. If you have a bad time, you die. You might as well have a good time.
Hey!
Yes.
We're gonna do our best. We're gonna make it our best we can.
This is not meeting expectations.
But we have a 7-Eleven in 5 minutes.
Yeah,
so
yeah. Gonna
at
get it
least
fucking
that.
slurpy.
Yeah. Sawadika.
Sawadika. Sawadika.
Welcome to someplace in Thailand. Join us on this adventure through Thailand, south from Bangkok, along the southeastern coast by scooter. I think Gates is sweating a bit.
I'm a little nervous. We're out here on the side of the interstate in who the fuck knows where.
I don't know, there's nothing but like massive trucks.
Massive trucks.
เนี่ยค่ะแล้วก็เอาเม็ดไม่เอาเอาเม็ดออกเนี่ยค่ะ
Amazing. Going 90 kilometers on this thing. We're here on the rice paddies. We thought it was gonna be like a really scenic route, but it's literally.
Like we tried, we really tried. It's not it.
It's like a fucking interstate.
Almost there, almost to Pattaya.
Sawadika.
We have discovered the world's worst town. It's called.
We did it.
It's called
Pattaya City.
Pattaya City.
There are maybe 50 strip clubs. And that's maybe an underestimate.
All
That's
night
being
long
very
last night.
conservative.
Just lots of illegal activities happening outside of our hotel room.
You walk down the street and there are maybe like 15 prostitutes that are trying to like take you in.
What did they say to you this morning?
They said, "Hi, white man. I love you."
My God.
We gotta get out of here.
We gotta get the fuck out of here. The day 2 roads are much better than day 1.
Holy shit, so much better.
We're coming at you live from
Chanthaburi.
we're beaching it today.
Instead of the pain that we've been enduring the last 2 days. As
Like-
the masseuse would say, no pain, no gain.
No pain, no gain.
We're on the streets of Chanthaburi. It's
Chanthaburi.
Cheers.
Shut the doors. Ha ha ha. After a couple days on the back of a scooter, we were exhausted, but about to have one of the most insane days of our lives. So one hour ago,
We were basically about to drive back to Bangkok, but
we decided we didn't want to drive the moped back to Bangkok. The roads were just there's too many highways.
not as scenic as we would like.
And long, yeah. So instead, let's explore this region. So we set off to some random point on the Google map.
We were like, oh, this looks kind of interesting.
Yeah, this looks kind of interesting. Buddha's footprint. No clue. What is that?
Only 2 months you can come up here.
Only 2 months a year you can come up here? February and March.
Every day.
Not every day. Wow.
นี่แล้วพี่ก็ทำงานในคณะสงฆ์ด้วยนะหรูมาที่เดิมที่จะ
Of course, I have to make. I have good time and die.
If you have a good time, you die. If you have a bad time, you die. You might as well have a good time.
It was an accident.
It was an
Holy
accident.
But you have good accident because this the number one. You need
attraction.
It's like going to the Eiffel Tower on accident. Best 10 baht I've ever spent.
Yeah, right.
เจตนาสมปรารถนาสมในทุกสิ่งสำเร็จเป็นสมอุบัติปรากฏจริงๆสำเร็จเป็นจริงอุบัติปรากฏเป็นสมโดยเร็วจับพันเดือนพันกันทีเป็นเหลือใช้เหลือกินเหลือใช้เหลือกินเหลือใช้เหลือกินเหลือใช้
good luck. Can you do one Thai? Can you say Sadhu?
Sadhu.
Satu.
ลูกชายเราอ่ะ
Okay, now you can go up. Okay.
Okay.
Now we can go up.
Can you say look around? Say follow you. Okay.
Okay.
Let me talk with this one.
Okay. This woman you just met is named Pa, and Pa, many others, showed us around Buddha's footprint and explained to us the history of where exactly we just ended up.
The snake, they are living under the ground. Before the Buddhists, before they acknowledge everything, but we sit all like this. So the snake make himself have 1, 2, 3, 7 head for cover. No have raining coming, no have the wind coming to the interfere the Buddha.
I see.
Interesting. Like that. Why?
Satu, satu, satu.
Okay. It's time for essence of chicken. Wait, can you explain what you read the literature on this last night?
Yeah. What is essence of chicken, you might ask? Well, it's this little bad boy right here. It's everywhere in Thailand. It's available very widely. It is grandmother's best kept secret. Yeah.
Buddhism and essence of chicken.
Buddhism and essence of chicken.
The chicken meat. And
It's
it's
the
not.
juice of the chicken.
And this has
Essence
a lot of
chicken has a
fiber,
lot of
and
protein.
protein,
Yeah, it's like a protein.
nutrients.
I'm very excited for you.
It has
Smell?
a very specific smell,
What is that?
like kind of. It's almost like dog food.
Oh, no.
There's like a.
Sawadika.
Sawadika.
Oh God, don't spit it on me.
Oh, it's not that bad.
So we decided to head back to Bangkok on the bus and take a shower, relax a little bit, enjoy ourselves. We only had one more night before we had to leave to Nepal. Back in Kathmandu, back home once again to one of our favorite cities in the world. And we only have a couple of days. We have to make the most of it. And just like that, the trip was over as quickly as it began.
Cheers.
The finest.
The finest.
The finest
The
Thai.
chalet extra dry.
Beautiful.